This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block cookie consent notices on the Brave web browser. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Brave web browser. To block cookie consent notices in the Brave web browser, first thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. On this next screen here, you want to tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. And then you want to scroll down just a little bit, and right there, block cookie consent notices. You want to toggle this on right here. That is how to block cookie consent notices in the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.